akala ninyo naging madali sa akin ang bar examinations. Andun pa rin po. The pressures, kaya nga after kong pumasa, ang tawag nila sa akin, alamat eh. Di ba? And to tell you honestly, ang tawag po nila sa akin is santo ng law school. And kasi I could still recall a time na, di ba, na narinig nyo na siguro na nagkaroon ng Dagupan City Water World. Dahil po sa baha sa Dagupan City. Ayan. I could still recall, it was our scheduled examinations. I think 3 or 2 exam ko that week. Wala talaga akong nabasa, kahit na isa. Dahil ako po ay nagtatrabaho sa government, ang dami rin po talagang trabaho sa government. And I have 3 kids. Maalala ko noon, nagre-review ako noon, nagbabasa ako noon. Buhat-buhat ko pa yung anak ko. Habang nagre-review ako ng kahit 30 minutes lang. Samantalang ang mga kaklase ko, 4 hours, 8 hours. So to cut the long story short, I took the bar examinations po that I knew in my heart I have failed. I knew that I have failed the examination. I had done self-rating. Siguro nag-self-rating ako noon kung 20 questions bawat bar subject. So 6 bar subjects yun for 3 days from 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the evening. So Sunday, Wednesday, Sunday po yun. Hindi ko po makakalimutan yan. Dahil first day pa lang, I got frustrated kasi nung tinitingnan ko yung questions, sabi ko mali po yata ang na-review ko sa araw na ito. I was reviewing for cases and everything. And to my surprise, hindi po yun ang lumabas. So nung nire-rate ko po yung sarili ko, parang 4 out of 20 lang ang sigurado ko po sa first na bar subject na tinake ko po na examination. And then the last examination, which was the most difficult one, yung remedial law, ay grabe din. Nung babalikan ko yung questions, kasi makikita mo yan eh. Later on, ilalabas yung mga questions. Doon sa 20 questions, siguro parang wala akong sigurado. Kahit na isa. So you could just imagine my surprise when I was, watching the declaration, the release of the results of our bar exam, that I passed in my first take, the bar examinations. And wala ba kayong kamay? So why am I telling you all these things, my dear IT professionals? So tatapos ko na kayo.